look at the fluffy butts running over there, and then over there we can see the waterfall Skogafoss. I hope the tiny dots will appear on the camera. Those are sheep. They have dotted the hill. We are now going to take a look at Solheimjökull. The place is the tip of an iceberg, or tongue of an iceberg. So there is a small glacial iceberg lagoon you can see over there, and it's a 10-minute walk. Fluffy butts. Hey, on the most dangerous beach in Iceland, Reynisfjara beach is known for sneaky waves. There was a recent tourist death, a Chinese guy. So the idea is that you should never turn your back to the ocean, because if you do, a wave might just take you and nobody can fish you out of the ocean. Yeah, the sand is literally black. It's famous for. It's also famous for basalt columns. On the right side is Dyrhole and this huge cave, as well as some formations, very steep rocks just steering, looming out of the water. Anyway, somebody was driving here. Not a good idea. Driving off-road is super illegal in Iceland and very, very punishable. Thousands of euros. We have fluffies crossing the road. Hey babies! They look very nice. I have always wanted to come close to them, so... Hey sweeties! Why are you running away? Hey guys, do you know your way home? Do you know where to go? Is it locked? Yes. Always running. Fluffy butts. Fluffy butts. So we have arrived at Jokulsarlon glacier lagoon. Well, I suppose lagoon and glaciers do not sound like a combination, but it is, and it's super pretty. another side of Jokulsarlon, on the other side of the ring road, we have what is called Diamond Beach. And well, it is what you can imagine it is. We've got just, heaps of ice on the beach and the open ocean. So the sand is completely black. Very unusual. Oh wow, look at this ice. This reminds me of some lamp in a fancy lamp shop. It's pretty cool. So it's a large heap of ice, isn't it? Sporto salės labai brangios. Nu va taip.